Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to find amazing fonts and format text in Canva. Whether you're designing a social media post, a flyer, or a fun graphic, knowing how to customize your text will make your designs really stand out. So by the end of this video, you'll have all the know-how to play around with fonts in Canva like a pro and really make your project your own. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up Canva. If you don't already have an account, you'll just have to sign in or quickly make one. Don't worry, it's super straightforward, and once you're in, you'll see that Canva's dashboard is really friendly and inviting, even if you've never used it before. Now look for that big Create button, usually somewhere on the home page or at the top right. Give it a click. This is how we start any new project in Canva. It's almost like opening up a fresh canvas with paints ready to go. Next, we want to set a custom size for our design. You'll get a prompt or see an option that says Custom Size. Go ahead and select that and then type in 100 by 50 pixels. Now this is a pretty small size overall, but it's perfect for demonstrating how to work with text and fonts without getting distracted by anything else. Think of it as a test sketch or a notepad where you can practice before working on a bigger piece. Once you've set those numbers, hit Create New Design. Canva will open up a clean, blank workspace just for you, here where all the magic happens. Time to add some text. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. One of the options is Text. Click on that and then choose to add a heading, subheading, or just body text. It doesn't matter for now since we're experimenting. Click to add it and then just type in any word you like. It could be your name, a fun word, or even just hello. The goal here is to have something to work with. Alright, now comes the fun part, changing the font. With your text box still selected, look up to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a little drop-down where it'll probably show a default font name. Click on that and suddenly a whole world of fonts opens up for you. Canva has tons, playful, modern, elegant, you name it. Scroll through and click on different fonts to see how your word changes instantly. If you're ever stuck choosing, try to match the mood of your design. For example, use something bold for a big announcement or a script font for something more personal. But we're not done yet. If you want to take your text to the next level, look for the Effects button, usually to the right of the font menu. When you click Edit, you'll reveal all sorts of options to add shadows, curves, glowing edges, and more. This is where you can really get creative. Play around with the sliders and don't be afraid to experiment. If something looks wild, you can always undo it. Maybe try a shadow effect to make your text pop or curve the word for a playful touch. To make your text stand out even more, let's add a background. Go back to that left-hand menu and choose Background, or just fill your canvas with a color or pattern that flatters your text. Sometimes a simple contrasting color does wonders. It helps your words jump off the page. Imagine trying out different vibes, a soft pastel for a gentle look, or maybe something neon for extra energy. And honestly, that's just the beginning. Canva has so many other customization tools. You can adjust spacing between letters, change colors, add transparency, or even animate your words if you want to go all out. My advice, don't be afraid to click around and see what everything does. Sometimes the best discoveries happen when you're just exploring. That's it, you now know how to find fonts and format your text in Canva. Thanks for following along with me. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, and if you have any questions or you want to share your own Canva creations, drop a comment down below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow design tutorials. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next video.